Hey, I'd like to welcome y'all to the first episode of Haynes the Purist Bubba Garage. Yeah, it's so stupid on TV out there right now, anybody can get a TV show. They asked me, they said, Haynes, would you like to do a TV show? I said, hell yeah, but not on Sundays because it's NASCAR day. And what I'd like to do on Sundays is watch NASCAR and drink me some Coors Light. Not talk about fixing Jeeps and foolish things, but since y'all gonna pay me for this tomfoolery, let me show you something little about Bubba Haynes' tool. First thing I want to show y'all is these here parts manuals and service manuals. You might as well take these and throw them right in the trash because you don't need the stuff. It's foolish. It don't tell you what to do. Bubba Haynes is going to show you how to fix your Jeep. First thing we like to do here at Bubba Haynes Purist Garage, we like to smoke a lot. Got a problem with that? It's too bad. In the South, they make tobacco, and all you foolish people smokes it, and I smokes it too. So what I'm going to do is light myself up a cigarette. There we go. Take a little sip of the Coors Light beer. And I'm going to show you the first thing you need to be a purist is a BFF. That stands for Big Effing Hammer. Can't swear on a No Test TV show. They'll kick me off. I'll lose my paycheck. You can beat the living hell out of things with this. You can do body work. You can do frame work. If something don't fit quite right, you just beat the sumbitch right in. First up, BFF. You need one. Second thing you need is some good old-fashioned wire coat hangers. Hell, you can do all kind of muffler repairs, hang things, you can paint things, you can cut this up and twist it to any shape you want. So what we got now here is we got a BFH and we got some wire. Keep those in your toolbox, you're going to need them. I'm telling you right now. This right here is an 11/16" wrench. And I couldn't quite fit it into something I was working on, so I just took my grinding cutter, cut the sumbitch in half. Now I got a stubby. If you notice, it says Craftsman, and everybody knows Craftsman got a lifetime warranty. Hell, they don't know that I cut that in half. I'll take that back and get a new sumbitch for free. Ain't that something special, I'm telling you. You know, the missus makes spaghetti every now and again, and she buys at the local Piggly Wiggly or Harris Teeter, whatever spaghetti sauce is on sale. I have her wash the jars out that I use them to mix paint. And all you got to do if you want your parts to, like parts of paint for your thinner, you just take a magic marker like this, and you write 4 different parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll mark 3 parts of paint to 1 part of solvent. I shake that sucker up like that, pour it right in my paint cup, everything's fine. Spaghetti jar? The old man once told me when I was a youngin', I didn't know which end of a screwdriver to use. There's a screwdriver, Craftsman. If you break it, you can take it back. They tell you not to pry cans of paint up on this. First thing they say on the warranty, who's ever going to know? Rust-Oleum. Something else y'all need about this Rust-Oleum right here. You can get this in any color you want. Spray that shit right over grease and all. Ain't nobody going to know the difference. You can take this screwdriver and pry that lid right off like that. Beat it right down with the top of the handle. Ain't nobody going to know. This is a valuable tool. You can adjust. You can scrape. You can gouge, you can paint, hell, you can even stick like a chicken or a pig. It's multi-versatile tool. You got to have one of these in your toolbox. Something very special and dear to my heart. Haynes, the Bubba, the Purist Garage. Alabama Chrome, otherwise known as Duck, D-U-C-K, duct tape. You can use this to repair just about everything. Any man worth his own salt take a piece of that right there, fix anything on a Willis Street. Ain't no problem at all. You can fix the gas tank. You can fix the water hose. You can fix the radio. You put a thing like that in that toolbox underneath your seat, you're set to go. Travel all over the world. It don't make a difference. Alabama Chrome duct tape. See the brand name inside? It says Duck. D-U-C-K. Guys tell me all the time, Haynes, that's duct tape. For like you do it in your heating and air system, it's bullshit. It's duct tape. That's all I got to say about that. Everybody knows Haynes loves the axe and shovels. This is an axe I'm doing right now. We're going to do a coin phrase for Bubba Haynes, the Purist Garage. You don't ask me no questions, I won't tell you no lies. Last bit of information I got to give you all today on a Sunday, because NASCAR's on, I got to get my ass inside on that recliner chair of mine. I got to do a product endorsement. Tic Tacs. Tic Tacs, $1.99 at Walmart, my favorite store. Let me tell you what these are good for in the garage. You been out here smoking and drinking, all you got to do, take a couple of these little babies like this, pop them in your mouth, chew on them a little bit, you go inside, the missus will never know what you was doing. Now what's that worth? Surely $1.99. Get y'all some.